Okay, biggest tax mistakes, part 2. Now remember, we've lodged tens of thousands of tax returns in the last few months, and what I wanted to do is just a quick wrap up of all the mistakes that we've seen to help everyone for next year. Now, if you have private health insurance, wait until you've got your private health insurance statement or you've got that coming through on pre-fill before you lodge your tax return. This will ensure what you put in your tax return is entirely accurate. And remember, quite often having your private health insurance in your tax return will increase your refund. So make sure you get that one right. Pre-filled data is not always accurate. Now what you'll need to do is always check that the pre-filled data that you're seeing coming through on your tax return is accurate. The way that you can check this, log into your MyGov to check your Centrelink, log into your bank to check your interest, check out your last pay slip to see what your total income is, and make sure your employer hasn't made a mistake when transferring that information to the ATO. Don't claim personal items in your tax return. There's been some great stories that I've seen. In fact, I was looking at an absolute ripping case this morning with a bloke that claimed a $10,000 Omega watch in his tax return. This actually went to court and he ended up getting that deduction denied from his tax return for good reason. Now you've probably heard me speak about these previously, but make sure you get your side hustle and crypto income in your tax return. The ATO now has data feeds coming from all those side hustle and crypto providers, so they know what your side hustle income is. So just make sure you get all of that in your tax return, and one thing you can claim is any deductions in relation to earning that money. Okay, so kilometers that you've driven, mobile phone expenses, so on and so forth. Make sure you get all that in because we want to offset a bit of that income so you're not paying too much tax.